These types of problems on the SAT come up time and time again, so you need to know how to solve them if you want to do well on it. Let's go through it. Here it says, in the equation, 0 equals 32x squared plus 56x plus k is a constant. If the equation has no real solutions, which of the following is a possible value of k? Okay, so whenever we're dealing with the amount of real solutions, so if it's no real solutions, one real solution, or two real solutions, we need to use the discriminant. The discriminant is the part under the square root in the quadratic formula. What this basically tells us is that if the discriminant is greater than 0, there's two real solutions. If the discriminant is equal to 0, there is one real solution. And if the discriminant is less than 0, there are no real solutions. Okay, so in this scenario, the discriminant has to be less than 0 because the equation has no real solutions. Okay, so b here would be 56. So 56 squared minus 4 times a, which is 32, times k. This right here would have to be less than 0. So what we can do is we can go to Desmos, type out the equation we've already created, and then plug in values for k and see which one would go underneath 0. Okay, so negative 10 would be greater than 0, so a wouldn't be a possible answer. 18 would be also greater than 0, so that wouldn't be a possible answer. 24.5 would be 0, but that would mean the equation would have one real solution, so that's not a possible answer. 30 would mean it's undefined, or it means that it's less than 0, so the answer would be D.